Mastering the art of verbs followed by infinitives. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're going to delve into an essential topic: verbs followed by infinitives. Understanding this concept can help you form more complex and expressive sentences. So, let's jump right in and see how this works. To start with, let's define what an infinitive is. An infinitive is the base form of a verb, usually preceded by the word to. Examples include to eat, to dance, to learn, and so on. These infinitives can often follow other verbs, creating more nuanced sentences. There are many verbs in English that are typically followed by infinitives. Some common examples include want, need, hope, and decide. When we use these verbs in a sentence, we usually follow them with an infinitive. For instance, I want to eat a burger. They need to study for the test. She hopes to visit France next year. We decided to watch a movie. In each of these sentences, the bolded part represents a verb followed by an infinitive. Sometimes, these verbs are followed by an object and then an infinitive. Verbs like ask, tell, remind, teach, and invite fall into this category. For example, he asked me to join him. My teacher told us to read the book. She reminded him to buy groceries. They invited us to attend their wedding. Again, the bolded parts represent a verb, followed by an object, and then an infinitive. Let's put our knowledge into practice with some exercises. I'll give you a sentence with a blank, and you should fill it in with a suitable verb followed by an infinitive. 1. He, blank, to finish his work before dinner. 2. My parents, blank, to buy a new house next year. 3. The coach, blank, the team, to practice harder. 4. She, blank, to become a doctor. Answers: 1. Wants. 2. Plan. 3. Told. 4. Hopes. And that's a wrap. This lesson on verbs followed by infinitives is a key stepping stone in your journey to mastering English grammar. Remember to practice what you've learned today, as it's through practice that we really absorb new knowledge. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more English grammar lessons. Happy learning!